people who have made their name in this film industry have called it a gutter.
After Jaya Bachchan launched a scathing attack on Kangana in Rajya Sabha, Kangana Ranaut has now hit back at the actor turned politician. Kangana tweeted, and I quote, "Jaya ji, would you say the same thing if in my place it was your daughter Shweta beaten, drugged and molested as a teenager? Would you say the same thing if Abhishek complained about bullying and harassment constantly and was found hanging one day? Show compassion for us also." In a possible reference to Jaya Bachchan saying Bollywood provides information to 5 lakh people daily, Kangana tweeted, and I quote again, "This mentality that गरीब को रोटी मिला तो that's enough needs to change. गरीब को रोटी के साथ सम्मान और प्यार भी चाहिए. I have a full list of reforms I want from the central government for workers and junior artists. Someday, if I meet Honorable Prime Minister, I will discuss." Kangana Ranaut had earlier said that drug use was rampant in Bollywood. She had even referred to Bollywood as a gutter and called on PM Modi to clean it. Kangana said if NCB probes the drug angle in Bollywood, many A-listers would be jailed.